Is this going to be the Chevy fans' ultimate truck? What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is your boy Javi here, tuning in for another auto tech news. I want to thank you guys for joining and subscribing to the channel. So what is going on? If you would have told me years ago, if you would have ever told me what is the best truck or the ultimate truck to ever be built, I would have told you that this is it right here. This vehicle looks amazing. As we can see right away, we see some double bumpers, double metal bumpers with skid plates. But let's talk about this vehicle because I see a lot of stuff going on here. Since Ford had introduced the Raptor and Dodge had introduced the TRX Ram Supercharged back in 2020, we all thought, us fans of Chevy thought, what is Chevrolet going to do about it? I mean, they got the high country, they got all the trucks, but what are they going to do about it? Are they ever going to bring a truck that's going to compete with that? Well, Fox Factory did just that. With a limited run number of 500 trucks, it's going to be with an MSRP just shy of $200,000. Actually, it's about $210,000. Now you say, Javi, what does this truck have that it doesn't have? Well, they've pretty much thrown the sink at this truck. It's got 700 horsepower with a second gen V Whipple supercharger, 640 feet-pounds of torque with a warranty of 3 years and 36,000 miles. Now, Fox Factory is celebrating their 50th anniversary, so they decided to build this, and it is going to be a limited run. You can now apply to buy this vehicle because there's, like I said, it's only going to be 500 of those. It also has a Baja kit, which features a 661 T6 upper A-arms factory 3.2 race series semi-activated level valve internal bypass shocks, and it's got a T75 T6 billet rear trail arms. Every time I'm doing a video, I always get a text. But not only that, let's look at this interior picture. We have different modes just at a click of a button in the dash. We have trail, we have desert, we have off-road. This truck, like I said, they have thrown the sink at it. The suspension communicates with the ECU, the ECM, for optimizing ride quality and stability when it comes to the off-road, whether you're on the mud, whether you're on the sand, whether you're on the desert. It's gonna come wrapped on BF Goodrich ATKO2 tires, and the actual tire size is gonna be 37 by 12.5 R17s. So these are 17-inch beat grip wheels. Now it's got a double metal bumper front and back with double skid plates. Now let's talk about the engine. So it is a 6.2 V8 twin screw Whipple Gen supercharger. It's gonna have a 10-speed automatic, and it's gonna have an Outrack 2-speed 4-wheel drive transfer case, and is distributed by the AAM axle RCV chrome moly axles. Now get this, and this is one of the parts that I love about this. It's got 373 gears with a semi-float Dana 60 housing and 35 spindle chrome moly axle in the back too. There's also an ARB air locker in the Dana 60. Now it does have the options of you being able to carry, as we can see in this picture, one wheel in the back or the two wheels in the back. And actually it's made to make the body more rigid. Now get this, the truck has been widened about 7.5 inches as well, you know, added with the steel bumpers and stuff like that. It's got 60,000 lumens LED in the front, so there's not going to be anything at night that you're going to miss. And if we look at this picture here on the interior, we see an amazing interior that's detailed where it says Fox Factory in the middle, and it's got the paddle shifters too. I think it's going to be an amazing vehicle. The MSRP is actually $209,999, so it's around $210,000. There's also a lot of factory carbon fibers. There's carbon fiber fenders, there's carbon fiber bed, there's the hood scoop in the top. That's why it's been widened 7.5 inches, and it's just an amazing vehicle, off-road monster. Now my question to you is, would you buy this if you had the funds? I want to hear you. I want to read you in the comments if this for you is the ultimate truck. I think they've thrown the kitchen sink at this truck, and I think this truck has nothing else left to be done to it. Supercharged Baja kit, a suspension that communicates with your ECM to optimize drivability, 700 horsepower, and an amazing truck all around. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to tune in and subscribe. Your boy is out.